surprising one of my BFFs, Chin, for her birthday. Yeah! I got the house keys. Pero yung mga totoong kaibigan lang yung magsusurprise. Pag wala sila doon, di sila totoong friends. Followers, I don't know if you can see me, but we're still hiding. Waiting for them to come in the house. They're barking. I can hear their car. I can hear Zizi crying. Aww.